Hi everyone, this is Mudit from Nfinity Financials. I get asked a question very frequently, especially by first home buyers, that what is the minimum down payment we should have for buying a house. Now, of course, the more down payment or the more deposit you have, the better it is in order to buy a property. Because that means you need lesser loan. Lesser loan means it's less risky for the banks. And if it is less risky, then you can get better deals from them, whether it's in the terms of interest rate or LMI or some other discount. Having said that, a common constraint for people is the down payment, because that's about a savings, and savings can take a long time, right? And most people, they want to buy their house as soon as possible. So what is the minimum deposit required? Now, most banks can give you a loan with only 5% deposit from your side. That is, they can lend up to 95% of the property value. That means 5% is roughly the minimum, okay? But then there are some other things for which you'll need more money. There's something called LMI, Lender's Mortgage Insurance, which at this kind of loan, it varies somewhere in the range of 3 to 4%. So you need money for that as well. And then there could be stamp duty, which is out of pocket. You don't get a loan for stamp duty. And there could be some smaller expenses like solicitor fee, building inspection, pest inspection kind of things. All that combined can be small, but stamp duty in itself can be typically in the range of 4 to 5, 6% of the property value. And you don't get a loan for it, so you need it in savings. So we're talking about roughly 5% minimum required, plus 3.5% of LMI, plus 4%, roughly 4 to 5% for stamp duty. We're talking about roughly 12 to 13%. That is the minimum cash required or savings required in order to buy a house. Having said that, there are a few government schemes available, because of which stamp duty and LMI can be waived off either fully or partially, depending on your eligibility for the same. And in another video, we will discuss more about the LMI. We have discussed more about the first home buyer benefit schemes. To take an example, if you're talking about $1 million property, 12 to 13% of that will be roughly $120,000 or $130,000. That's the kind of money you'll need minimum to be able to buy this property. But if you want better deals from the bank, of course, more deposit you have, the better deals we can get. Hope that clarifies. For more clarity or knowing more about videos like this, contact Nfinity Financials. Thank you. Bye-bye.